Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you some other option available in the extrude boss option in Solidworks. So for this I am creating a new part. Okay. So Solidworks graphic window appeared now. So I will create a curved surface on which I will show you that option of extrude boss, which will be used for something from a surface. So which I'm creating a curved surface, so I'm selecting a top plane. I'm creating a curved surface so you can understand better. So I'm creating something like curved surface. So I created a sketch for curved surface. Okay, and I am extruding it. Let's make it 40 or 50. Okay, that's enough for decrease the size. Okay, so I created a curved surface. So the option I am going to show this extrude from a surface, for which I will create a sketch on some plane which is something like normal to this surface. So I'm selecting right plane, which is probably not exactly but normal to it. So I selected the right plane and I'm creating a sketch. Okay, so in this lesson I will create a sketch of a text. So for which I can create a center line like thing. I created a line on which my text will be aligned. I can also create a curve, but which these concepts will be clear in the upcoming videos. So for text, this option is available in the Solidworks. So I'm activating this command. Upon activating this command, it asking for me of curves on which the text will be aligned. So I'm selecting this, so the curve is selected. Now I will type text. So text is written. Let me make some changes. If you are going to practice this text on surface, so you can do it better. So I'm making it bold. Increasing the space between the letters. I will not use the document fonts, as the document fonts are sometimes not up to the requirements. So I'm going to select any other font. So here is available different available fonts you can select. So I'm selecting something like this. I can also increase the size and I can do many things. Okay, so the text is created. Okay, this is okay. Now I will extrude this from, if I see the sketch is far away from this surface. So, and I want this text to be extruded from this surface, so for which I will use extrude boss. If I see the text is extruding from the sketch plane, as we have selected here, by default it selects sketch plane, but when I select surface, so it asks me which surface, from which surface you want to extrude this text or sketch. So I'm selecting this surface. If I see the text is extruding from the surface now, the size is too large, so I'm decreasing this. So 1 is enough, 1 mm. Okay. Now I see the text is extruded from this curved surface, not from the sketch plane, which is sometimes required in manufacturing design. Some parts have names on it, so this uh, surface command can be really helpful in these part creation. So hope you understand the concept of uh, creating uh, something from a surface, extruding something from a surface. The text is on the concave side of the surface. If you want to extrude it on the convex side, you can do it by flipping the direction of the extrusion. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it further. Thank you.